I don't know whether I should say yes to this quote, but yes, I'm not a follower at least. The second part, I would agree 100%. And the first part, I would leave it on you. I would not say for myself, I'm a leader, but I'm trying my best. Best to my abilities, to my core, and considering my circumstances and my resources. I'm giving my best. Always I tell people and imply in my life that do your best wherever you are, and you are a leader, and you are inspiring people around you with your actions. If I tell you, DJ and Jesse, do this, or other respective members, please do this, I don't think you will do that after listening to me. But if you see me doing that, definitely you will give a shot once. And if you enjoy that, you will continue doing that one. That is called leadership. I have to show you by my actions. But one thing is dead sure, I'm not a follower. I respect people's struggle, their intentions, their deliberations, but I don't follow them. I'm very lucky and blessed that I understood I'm a unique person. If I try to follow somebody, I won't be able to achieve at all in my life, for my entire life, but I would just simply waste it. So I have to be myself. I have to give my shot. I know there are people out there who are going to love me. There are people who are going to like me. There are people who are going to hate me for no reasons. Loving, liking, and hating, everything will come with no reason one point in time. But for that, my deliberation, my consistency, my hard work, my intention has to be there. That's what I'm trying my best. I learned a lot from Toastmasters, but I do not follow anybody. I respect them because they came first and I came later. And there are people coming after me. I don't want them to follow me as well. They have to find their own niche, their own style, their own uniqueness. That's where we learn communication style and leadership style. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm neither a follower nor a leader, but I'm a unique person. I do my best, give my shot, and leave the rest. Choice is yours. You love it or you hate it. It's your perspective. If it's going to be in your favor, you are going to love it without any doubt. If it's not in your favor, you will perhaps hate it. But if you are a neutral person, you will just leave it as it is and give me a benefit of doubt. So I partially agree with the statement and partially leave it on you. Back to you.